Namaste, my name is Dio and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you why it's very important for you to start protecting your dreams. This goes beyond the dream catchers. We all know the importance of it. We very religiously hang them to protect our dreams. But our dreams need to be turned into reality. All the dreams that we are looking for are things that we want to really achieve. But here is why for centuries people have always been saying, keep your mouth shut, don't talk about your dreams. I myself say that don't tell people about your dreams, you rather show them what you've dreamt of. Once you've achieved it, it could be your love, it could be that business, it could be something materialistic thing that you really want in your life. Once you have it, you tell people. Why are we saying all of that? Don't share it. Is it about being secretive and all? In a way, yes, but you have to know why we are being secretive. That's the main part of it. So now you have to start seeing yourself as a projector who's projecting everything, not as a human being. You are a highest form of technology. So you have to start now seeing yourself like a projector who's projecting everything that you're looking for. But let's not forget, it's not just you. Every other human being that is there over here is a projector. So now where you are trying to get that love, you're trying to create that business, you have all the confidence in you to project all of that. You will work hard towards it. You're doing everything under the sun to achieve that. But here is what it is. Now, let's say if you've gone and spoken to somebody about what your dreams are, what your goals are, aims are in your life, what you're trying to achieve, those projectors now, like I said, let's not see them as human beings. Let's see them as projectors. Those projectors now have doubt, fear, confusion with their own experience, or probably your experience that had happened with you is now what they are projecting onto you. Will he ever be able to do it? Why is she doing it? Why is he doing it? I don't think it will work. Your entire dream starts becoming a dinner table conversation for those 4 people or 5 people that you've discussed with. Now they're discussing it with other people to do so. Now your dreams are being discussed not just amongst those 4, but those 4 have those other 4 friends. Their 4 friends have 2 other friends. Everyone now is projecting onto your dreams, your goals, your wishes, your manifestation. But why is he trying? Why is she trying? You think it'll happen? No, it's never going to happen. So like I said, this doubt, fear, confusion is probably already inside of them, their own failures, or probably sometime that you yourself didn't make it and now they're thinking, he didn't make it the last time, why will he make it this time? Why is he going there? Why is he doing that? That is their doubt and fear, which now they are projecting onto you. They're projecting onto you. So can you imagine, you are one projector who's trying to achieve something. Here you've put 10 other projectors around here who are projecting failure into your life, doubt into your life, every other form of limitation onto your life, which is your dreams, your manifestations are now becoming slower. And in some cases, it just doesn't happen. Because some of them are way more powerful projectors than you. Negative energy is a very powerful energy, sometimes way more powerful than a positive energy, because negative energy stays with us for a long period of time. Positive energy keeps fading away after some time. You got to keep building it up. But negative energy is something that we thrive on. We human beings thrive on that negative energy. This is why we always say, do not talk about your dreams, your manifestation with anyone. Keep it a secret. Keep it to yourself. Share it with that one person probably if you have to, just because of the sake of discussing your dream, your projects with them. But beyond that, keep it shut. Show people what you've dreamt of. That's the best way of doing it. We always go blabbering our mouth to everyone because we think they're going to feel good about it. They're going to encourage us on your face. Yes, definitely. Yeah, go for it. You know, I'm sure you can do it. I'm so happy for you. Deep down, and after you've gone, what is happening is what they are really projecting onto you. So keep your dreams, your manifestations completely close to you. They are your wealth, safeguarded. Once you've seen it in front of them, yeah, take them for a drive in that car, then show them your business, you know, take them out for a holiday, show them who your partner now is, only after you achieve what you are trying to achieve. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel. Until I see you again, have a good life. Namaste.